Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got an iPad on my desk, model A1430. It has a cracked screen and touch doesn't work at all. That means we'll now replace this screen for a new one, and that should be alright. First of all, you need to start. It's a best way to hit the top of the screen because there is a glue around. Be careful, here is a flex. If you don't want to damage, just be careful on this side. And I always use my heat gun to hit it up. Okay, let's go hit it up and take off the screen. Okay, once it's heated up, it's so hot, that means we can now take off the screen gently. I will start from the one side, probably from the top.
Poza nim.
Tylko pasku. Okay, now the screen is completely separate, and we now will be just lift it, and there is a 4 screw to take it off the LCD. Okay, there is already one screen missing. That's fine, it's been probably repaired before, and just take it off the LCD. Unplug the battery before you disconnect the LCD. Okay, it's unplugged.
actually.
Okay, LCD is disconnected. Just be careful, don't damage. And now we can unplug the touch. Okay, and now we will need to clean all of the old glue before we fit and plug in the new one. Okay, clean is done and looks alright and is prepared for the new screen already. Just clean your desk first because there is some small piece of glue and glass as well. It'll be better to clean it first before you start fitting the new screen. New screen is on this side already with the 3M tape on it. Hopefully will be alright. And old screen is here. We're just gonna clean it now. As you can see it's dirty, but we'll clean that. We have a lovely new cloth here. We are gonna clean and fit the first touch panel screen. After I take it off the glue protection and fit the screen. Okay, let's go do it. Now we're gonna first plug in the touch panel. You know it's completely in. Where is that one white line? You can see that it's completely in. Just clip in and that's it. Push it down. Now plug in the LCD. Down, switch it on, and we'll now first test that touch panel if it's working and if it's the connect is correctly everything. Just wait for the switching on. Okay, the tablet is on and now we're gonna test. Yeah, looks alright. That means we can all put together now. Okay, we just plug in that. We put back the screw for holding the LCD. That means we got just only 3 screw. This one is missing already. But never mind. It's not really important. Now we take that glue protection off. Okay, this is done, and the final step is clean the LCD from the dust again. Take off this last piece gently take it off from the right side first. As left side we have a flex, we need a stick in and fold it. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you like it. Tablet looks as new again. Everything is working. Touch looks like fit perfectly, which is brilliant, and now is ready to use for the user. Click like, subscribe, and stay on my channel.